Sangasena ji, great personality. From years back, great scholar of Buddhism and believes in the interfaith movement, and he is a master in teaching compassion, which is need of Yar, and because of his outstanding contribution, we are motivated to also approach the Honorable Prime Minister to have a Mahakaruna University. Unless you have Karuna in your mind, you cannot grow. Every student must learn about the compassion. So today he will also dwell upon different aspects of compassion. Please most welcome. You have covered almost everything regarding the optimum utilization and judicious utility of artificial intelligence. Thank you. Friends, we wish to call upon Our Holiness Bhikkhu Sangasena ji, who is the President of the Mahabodhi International Meditation Center, global organization headquartered in Leh. We would like to also invite you to come to Leh in the month of August when he has the World Conference there. Not seeing place, without going you cannot imagine what is the place there. So we all.
Let me start with a short prayer. Buddham saranam gacchami, dhammam saranam gacchami, sangham saranam gacchami. Our very dearest and most respected Dr. Trivedi Sai, the founder and president of many prestigious organizations, mainly educationals. I will not go into the detail. There could be a long list which Dr. Trivedi Sai is leading. Let me express my heartiest congratulations to Dr. Trivedi Sai and all the associates for leading this most prestigious, the father and mother of all education, father and mother of all the universities and educational institutions. Dr. Trivedi Sai, the embodiment of knowledge, wisdom and compassion. And we like to offer our sincere prayer, invoke the blessings of the Lord for the long life and perfect health of Dr. Trivedi Sai, so that he can continue to lead humanity with the light of education and compassion. Dr. Markandeya sir mentioned that I should speak on compassion. Yes, I think our conference, our lectures, our knowledge sharing, I believe, sir, all our development, our education system, or development of science and technology, without guided by compassion, will prove Bhasmasura dance, sir. You know the Bhasmasura, famous story of Bhasmasura dance. So that's what all happened. What is happening in Ukraine, Russia, and many other parts of the world. So exactly, they have developed all this fantastic technology, bombs and guns. Since they were missing compassion, now they are using the same fantastic technology to kill each other, to destroy each other. So horrible. So compassion, very important. Without guided by compassion, modern education will make us artificial intelligence. Wonderful, fantastic, but the artificial intelligence will have no emotion, no feeling, no love. I think it has been my great pleasure and honor to have a close association with Dr. Trivedi Sai and Dr. Markandeya sir. Right. to discuss, doing brainstorming under their guidance, with their support. We already have become a wonderful the hospital may become an organ trade center. With compassion, a hospital can become a healing temple of the Lord. With compassion, a doctor can become a medicine book. Without compassion, a doctor can become a dangerous tool.